time seeing this car in a while.
Oh.
Damn, you're just gonna leave me hanging like this. Okay.
Oh, my bad. I ain't see it, dog.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
All right, what's going on, everyone? Today, we have an Explorer ST exhaust install, and we're gonna work on that Eco outside that we just got delivered yesterday. Hopefully a little bit of the RTR and the Lightning, but if not, we have this car on the schedule, so we're probably gonna at least take a look at it, see what we can do, what we can't do, what we can and can't do. But yeah, let's get this day started. All right, so this car is welded. Me and Baba right here are going to data log it. We're pretty sure we're not gonna need a new tune. Lund is great, they know what they're doing, so
it's very simple setup as well. It's just headers, coolers.
Here we go. Cut me off again.
Fuck you.
Cut me off, bro.
And if I cut you off, then what?
All right. He gets enough bullying already. I'm gonna leave him alone. Anyway, after this, Mr. Cameron's already on his way. He's gonna test drive the cars. He hasn't driven that car in almost what?
Probably a year, dude.
Probably a year, yeah. So yeah, excited to see that. But let's do it. All right, so exhaust car is here. I'm gonna get some sound clips of it before, some after. See if there's any downpipes on the car or not. But yeah, I'm excited to see this thing.
Finally want to be in a video.
Let's test it out.
Woo!
Sounds great. Feels great. Hell yeah. All right, so after a long ass time, Mr. Cameron's with me in the car right now. Do some pulls. You wanna take over?
Yeah, I got you.
Try to brake boost second gear and see how the car goes.
Does it spin much in second with these tires on here?
No, not that, bro. That's why I'm like, listen, I'm surprised that it doesn't.
Yeah.
Like, it's just surprising. Like, okay, so you put it in second gear.
Yeah, I was not expecting
and
that.
it keeps getting like, because you have the cams and stuff, so it keeps eating.
Right, top end. Yeah. See, that's what I when you were talking to me about that with the cams, I was like, I need to do all that with the built motor too, because it'll just waste the potential.
And bro, you went the whole, like, you did the whole recipe. Tornado kit, maintenance kit, fucking E85, NX2, long block, like, it's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, the drivability in the tune is perfect too.
27 PSI. Alright, no new codes, that's perfect. Alright. Shit.
It doesn't even feel that fast. You look over and it's like, what the fuck? It's just too smooth. Days.
14 months and 10 days. How long you haven't driven this car?
Yeah, in 10 days
That's
it'll be
fucking crazy.
So yeah, beginning of next month, that'll be 14 months since that night.
Since that night, the iced tea night.
Yeah.
This guy's car was literally on fire, and he tried to put it out with iced tea. Iced tea. Like, there's a video of it.
I've lost all respect for Arnold Palmer now. It don't work.
I told you right to leave him alone. No, but listen, and then he coming over here, flip-flopping. He always does that. That's what got him gapped in the middle of the street by my fucking bailiff.
I tried to save you.
Damn.
Did I not 2 fucking minutes ago?
Bro, you got me off a dig in an all-wheel drive car, bro. Like, you
I
won't run me
know.
from a fucking
You literally said your car's slow, race me from a dig right now, you pussy. And I went out there and drug you down the street like you were driving a fucking John Deere.
Damn. 40 hoe.
Jesus.
God damn, Adam. Fuck.
Just sell it, bro. Fucking sell it.
Wow. Yo, I could
We
never.
got stickers.
It's alright, bro. It's a
I got the sticker at home. I need to put. Well, I got rid of that one, but I'm gonna get another.
Hey, the Just Sell It stickers are right here, by the way, if you guys want to buy it. Just sell it, bro.
Yep. He's got it. I recorded it.
My bad, bro.
Alright, go ahead and fire it up, young man.
Yeah, that's fucking silent.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Oh no.
I'm too familiar with that sound, bro. Don't play that. PTSD. Don't play that right now.
Well, they went and drove it, and then had to bring it back, and I hate that. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I am an enthusiast before I am a business owner, and so I try and approach those things as the enthusiast receiving the car after writing the check,
Right.
as opposed to as the business owner just trying to get the car out. I try and approach it like, if I wrote this guy a $10,000 check and I'm getting his car back and the fucking gauges are going off, I'd be pretty fucking pissed.
Yeah. See,
Even if it did it before I fucking...
I understand. Like,
You know what
the
I mean?
reason I'm like accepting it is because I'm used to it. Like,
I
know
get
it's been
that,
an
but
issue,
I like to
and
try and solve these
yeah,
problems for
100%.
people. You know what I
I'm
mean?
glad you guys took it to Ford and least because I took it to like 1 or 2 other Ford dealerships. Like when it first started happening, never had them do any work. I just said, listen, I just want you to diagnose this to the best of your knowledge.
Right.
And all told me, I don't know what it is. I've never heard of it. And
Oh,
I was
no.
like, well, it's only happening with these specific cars, this specific year. You guys have never heard of it. And so then they were trying to say like, oh, we'll work on it. I was like, well, I don't remember signing anything, so I don't think you're going to touch that car. So I ended up with, I would go and take it back, and I had one argue with me that I owed them money for a diagnostic when it sat in the same parking spot that I put it in when I dropped it off.
Right.
I was like, why is it in the same spot? Because I parked a little crooked and it was still there. And they're like, oh no, we shut. And I was like,
No, you
no, you
didn't.
didn't. So I was like, they were like, oh, well, you owe us this. And I was like, I got a spare key. Try me. I was
Not
like,
only that, like
Yeah,
when
like-
we took it in, we asked them and said, "Hey, can you look at the old invoices or the
That's
old
what I told them.
tickets?" And he even told us there's no record of it.
no,
So they must not even have put anything in the fucking system.
Wow.
Yeah, and
Well,
again,
they never touched it. It sat
This
in
is
the
the
same
hard
spot
part
I
for me
parked
is-
it in when I dropped it off.
right.
Never moved.
And this is the hard part for me, right? Is because as a business owner, this is why I desire to be in business, is to protect consumers from shit like this.
Well, that's the
There's
reason
no
why you're
reason
above
that the Cameron
other
should have
companies that
fucking
don't do it.
right, dude. There's no reason you should have that experience.
Mhm.
There's no reason.
What are we doing right here, Adam? This is Adam's car, by the way.
I don't know yet. Trying to rig up some gauges.
Boosting AFR.
Yeah. Even though my car don't really want to work. Probably just gonna put a fucking cover on it for a little while.
Come on, what are you gonna drive? The Range
The Range Rover. And then wait to build and then wait and
for the 68.
fix the 68. Because we all know it's all fine and dandy. I'm gonna fix one thing, and the next week it's gonna be something fucking else, and the next week it'll be something fucking else.
It's
Like,
crazy because like you just sent us a video. The car hits 24
yeah,
pounds
I
of
had
boost,
24 pounds of boost.
and then like
yesterday,
an
then
hour
today-
later, you're like, "All right, boys,
No boost."
no boost." It's a love and hate relationship.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, well, we'll get some B-roll of Adam doing this shit if he's not too.
Am I doing anything?
All right, so I didn't get any B-roll of Adam working, but god fucking damn.
I think they should still work.
All right, let's test it out. Oh. All right, now we can get some B-roll. You're happy as fuck, huh? Oh yeah, let's do it.
Got some food.
All right.
I
we're
gotta
gonna
warm
do it.
up for a second, huh?
Oh god.
I mean,
Bro, you never really warm up your car. You just fucking go rip that shit. It's gonna warm up when you rip it.
yeah, but I don't fucking run 30 pounds of boost by mouth either. Though. Maybe don't blow up.
All right, so that's a wrap. All right, so that's a wrap for this vlog. Knocked a bunch of cars out yesterday. Hope you guys like the new exhaust for this ST. Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.